and welcome to the Infill Show. I'm Ian, and this time I'd like to showcase models by one of my favourite designers, Fotis Mint. As you may know, if you follow either my Twitter or Instagram accounts, I embarked on something of a mini mint marathon a few weeks ago, and I printed most of the models you see here within the space of about 16 days. One or two of them, the little Hulk there, and this one, both of those were printed previously, and then there are a couple that I've printed since I finished the marathon, if you like. One's Darth Sidious and the other one's Frankenstein's Monster, both of which actually completed today. So all the other models were done in that period, and the idea was just to really showcase as many of the models as I could. I got to the point where I thought I'd probably done enough in a row, like 20 I think, and I thought that was enough. But I will still be printing more of his models because I just love them, and I'll probably kind of take a little bit more care over creating the videos for them, etc., and maybe try and keep to one a week going forward. So just going through, picking not all of them, but I'll pick out one or two of them just to talk about. As I say, the Darth Sidious I did today.
Shut up and sit down.
The fact that this model came in multiple parts that are glued together and allows you to print them in the separate colours and then glue them together was a real bonus for me. The absolute favourite of mine is the Auric here. So I don't play Diablo, don't know much about it, but just the look of this is great. I mean, I absolutely love that model. The open showing the spine, the skull, really is good. Again, prints multiple parts that are then stuck together. In this case, a couple of them are glued, and then I've got a feeling that like this arm and the mace, I didn't even bother gluing them because they fit together so well. That is a really good one. Again, probably not going to have to print that one bigger. So I've been watching the slideshow with the close-up view of these fantastic models. I'm sure you're wondering, where can I get hold of them to print myself? Well, they're all available on Patreon. Some of them are available individually on my mini factory. So on Patreon, which is Patreon/Fotis Mint, you have got 3 tiers. The peppermint tier is $5, gives you access to all of the Patreon exclusive models. It quotes on the website that it's 50 plus. I think it's quite a bit more than 50 at the moment. The next one is mint condition. That's $10 a month. That gives you all the Patreon exclusives plus all of the store models. So everything that's here basically would be in that one, plus an awful lot more models. And then there is a Mint Partners, which is $40 a month, which gives you exclusive rights to do pretty much whatever you want with the prints, so you can sell them, etc. Looking at My Mini Factory, the way it seems to work on there is that the less complex / older models are $3, and the more complex, so the good example of that is the Shadow Dragon, which is amazing. The Manticore, which I haven't printed yet, but I will be printing, which is again another fantastic model. They are $7, and you know, worth every penny. Really are fantastic looking models. And when I say simpler, you know, in inverted commas, so Frankenstein's monster here is one of the $3 at the moment. So there you go. All of that, so the prices, etc., the way the tiers are structured, the amount of models you get, all of that is obviously subject to change. It is correct as of the current time. So apologies if this has come across as a bit of a Fotis Mint advert. I'm not sponsored by Fotis. I am fortunate enough to have become friends with him over the last few weeks, and he is a really nice guy. He's a little bit grumpy, a bit like me, so that's probably why we get on. The thing that you can really tell when you look at these is the care and attention and the love that's gone into actually creating these. I don't think by any stretch of the imagination that Fotis is one of those people that just churns out models to keep his patrons happy. He really does put his soul into these models. And the other good thing as well is with the multi-part models, Fotis prints. He understands how to do these things, to make them work, to make them go together. He does print resin as well, but I'll not hold that against him. So it's really just a great collection of models. When you look at the sheer number and the quality, that is the key thing. The quality is just fantastic. So if of all of these ones that I've printed, if I've not really talked in detail about your favourite, let me know in the comments. If I've not printed your favourite Fotis model, please let me know, and I'll put it on the list, because I will get to them. As I say, the next couple of weeks I will probably be looking to do one of the multi-part ones. Manticore looks fantastic, I definitely want to do that. Johanna, again, looks really good. I want to do that. So, you know, and obviously eventually there'll be more models trickling out, and I'll just be tempted to print them, I've no doubt. If you've made it this far, thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, then by all means subscribe. So once again, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.